Hello and welcome to E83 Photography's long-term review of the Keychron K2. So I've been using lots of different keyboards all over my working life, and I decided I'm going to try something else because this just isn't good anymore. So I have come to this, the Keychron K2 mechanical keyboard, which is awesome. Now I've read lots of reviews on this one, and they've all been pretty favourable, so I thought, why not? I'll give it a go. I've never really entered the realm of mechanical keyboards before, so we'll try this one. So this one's completely Bluetooth. Does come with a braided USB-C cable, which is very handy. Now this is a 75% keyboard, so it doesn't have the numpad, which is fine. I thought I would miss out on it, but no. It's nice and clicky. These come with the Keychron brown switches. They can be a little bit noisy, as you can hear. So I may try the MX Cherry Whites just to see how they will go. So here we have all the switches on the side. So Bluetooth, off, and cable. The USB-C cable input, and the switch for Mac OS and Windows Android, just depending on what platform you're running. So I found the keyboard quite nice to use, very comfortable. It's an RGB keyboard, so you can switch the lighting like so. So you can see there's all different presets. Some are a little annoying. Others are kind of cool. Some will only light up when you actually hit the keys. This is my favorite one, it's just plain. So there you go. So moving on to the back, just to have a look there. So we've got fully raised capabilities, semi-raised, or flat, and it's got all these little grippy bits on it so it doesn't move around the desk, which is awesome. So there we go. So you can get this keyboard in both a plastic and an aluminium casing. I'm pretty sure I got the plastic one, which is a little bit cheaper. But it still feels pretty sturdy, so no worries there. If you wanted to, you can also change out the switches. So I was looking at the MX Cherry Whites, and to do this you just use this little keycap puller that comes with the keyboard and just sort of slide it over like so, and then pull gently, and then without breaking the thing, there's your switch. I'll just show you a closer image of it. There we go. And that's it. Right there. So you can swap all those out. These do come already preloaded with the either Keychron browns, reds or blues. But again, you can customize it. But you just have to get the switches online elsewhere. There we go. Nice. So just to end this, would I recommend this keyboard? Yes, I would. It's not going to be to everyone's taste, but again, nothing is. So it's just a matter of giving it a try and just seeing what you think. I like its compact nature. I like that it's nice and clean and it's not ostentatious. And it's not cutesy wootsy and kiddie-like, but it is grown up and sophisticated, but it does have a touch of fun with the RGB lighting if you so desire. So yeah, love the keyboard. Still thinking of getting the Keychron K3 as well, just to see how it compares and go from there. All opinions are mine, nothing is sponsored. 2 thumbs up in my opinion. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.